Number 1. 1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500. This is a well-maintained truck with 144,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and comes in a sleek black exterior with a striking red interior. Under the hood, it is powered by a robust 5.7L V8 engine. This truck boasts a beautifully maintained interior, complemented by a modern Bluetooth stereo system with newly installed speakers. The fresh paint job enhances its appearance, revealing a deep red shine when exposed to sunlight. Additionally, it has been lowered, giving it a more aggressive stance. While the check engine light occasionally turns on when driving on the highway, it does not affect performance, as the truck is used as a daily driver. Number 2. 1976 Ford F250, price $8,500. With only 55,000 miles on the odometer. Under the hood, it boasts a rebuilt 390 V8 engine paired with a rebuilt 3-speed automatic transmission, ensuring strong performance and a smooth ride. The truck retains its original orange paint, which remains in excellent condition, showcasing its well-preserved history. The tan interior adds to its vintage charm, providing a comfortable and classic driving experience. Not only does this F250 run and drive exceptionally well, but it also delivers plenty of power, making it a solid and reliable choice for any enthusiast. Despite the owner's deep attachment to the truck, life's circumstances have made it necessary to prioritize family needs over keeping this remarkable vehicle. Number 3. 1982 GMC 1500, price $10,000. Featuring an original 350 V8 engine and dual fuel tanks, offering both power and reliability. With 200,000 miles on the odometer, it features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior is finished in a bold blue, complementing the sleek black interior for a timeless look. This truck has undergone a partial restoration, preserving its vintage charm while maintaining its functionality. Everything is in working order, making it a solid candidate for a daily driver with just a few upgrades, such as fresh tires, a tune-up, and brake maintenance. It also comes with over $3,000 worth of new parts from LMC, adding even more value to this classic machine. Though letting it go is not easy, it's time for it to find a new owner who will appreciate and enjoy it. This is a fantastic opportunity for anyone looking for a well-maintained and highly capable classic truck with plenty of character and potential. Number 4. 1996 Chevrolet 3500, price $5,750. With 154,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior is finished in white, while the interior complements its rugged design. Equipped with a powerful 5.7L engine, this crew cab comes with a long bed and four-wheel drive, making it a strong and capable workhorse. The rear differential was rebuilt at 125,000 miles, ensuring durability and smooth performance. Additionally, it has an aftermarket front bumper with a winch mount, though no winch is included. This truck comes with a clean title in hand and has 2 years remaining on its plates. It runs and drives great, offering a solid and dependable ride. Number 5. 1990 Ford F150, price $8,995. With 95,500 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and comes in an attractive green exterior paired with a tan interior. Powered by a reliable 302 V8 engine, this truck is equipped with captain's chairs and a center console, along with a rear bench seat. It also includes power windows, power door locks, and a 3.55 limited slip axle with traction control. Additionally, it comes with a towing package and has been fitted with new tires. Despite being 35 years old, this truck remains in excellent condition. While not entirely perfect, it is remarkably well preserved, especially considering it has never been involved in an accident and has been meticulously cared for over the years. Number 6. 1989 Chevrolet 3500, price $10,000. With 78,000 miles on it, featuring an automatic transmission for smooth and reliable performance. It boasts a striking red exterior paired with a matching red interior, creating a bold and classic look. Running on gasoline, this truck delivers the power expected from a heavy-duty vehicle. Repainted by the previous owner, it still presents well and cleans up nicely, with no rust on the body. However, minor surface rust has started to appear on the frame due to exposure to winter conditions, though it remains structurally sound. Under the hood, it is equipped with a powerful 454 big block engine, ensuring strong performance. Recent maintenance includes a brand new radiator, AC compressor, and belt drive, contributing to its reliability. Number 7. 2000 Nissan Frontier, price $5,000. With a 5-speed manual transmission. The truck has 256,000 miles on the odometer, but the previous owner swapped in a lower mileage engine, which, along with the transmission, currently has around 117,000 miles. The transmission has been fitted with a new clutch and flywheel, ensuring smooth operation. This Frontier runs and drives excellently, benefiting from a new battery and a fresh set of tires installed in February 2025. The exterior is finished in silver, complemented by a gray interior. It runs on gasoline and is in very clean condition. Inside, the previous owner upgraded the audio system, installing a single DIN head unit and enhanced door speakers that deliver great sound. Additionally, both the heating and air conditioning systems function perfectly, providing comfort in all seasons. The only minor drawback is that the headliner needs replacement, but aside from that, this truck is a solid and reliable vehicle. Number 8. 1992 Chevrolet 1500. Price $6,000. This is a well-maintained and highly reliable 2WD truck with 200,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and a clean white exterior. This truck has been lowered and remains in good running and driving condition. The taillights and tailgate have been shaved for a sleek appearance, while a roll pan has been installed. Additionally, a 20-gallon fuel cell has been relocated to the bed and wrapped in diamond plate for a rugged look. Under the hood, it is equipped with an Edelbrock intake, and several new parts have been added to enhance performance. The engine and transmission were swapped at approximately 120,000 miles, ensuring continued reliability. Number 9. 1984 Mazda B2000. Price $4,750. It has traveled 120,000 miles and features a manual transmission. Its exterior is finished in silver, while the interior boasts a blue color scheme. This truck runs on gasoline and comes with a variety of extra parts, some new and some old. In terms of advantages, the engine and transmission are in excellent condition, and the interior has been completely redone. It is equipped with a retro Bluetooth stereo, and the hydraulic clutch system has been entirely replaced. Additionally, the vehicle has recently been registered with new tags. However, there are some drawbacks to note. While rust is present, it is mostly surface level. The truck does not have power steering, and there is a slight pull when driving. Fortunately, a replacement part is included to resolve this issue. Number 10. 1993 Chevrolet 2500. Price $6,900. This is a rare turbo diesel truck that has been meticulously maintained by its elderly owner. This one-of-a-kind vehicle is in excellent condition, exceptionally clean, and fully functional, with everything working as it should. It drives smoothly and reliably, showcasing its well-preserved quality. The truck has an automatic transmission and has traveled 165,000 miles. Its striking blue exterior is complemented by a matching blue interior, and it runs on diesel fuel, making it a durable and efficient choice for those seeking a classic, well-maintained heavy-duty truck.